Hey guys, so I left my hair out this past weekend due to a family emergency and I wasn't able to bring hair products with me, so that led to my hair being dry. I also mentioned on my Instagram story that my edges seemed irritated, so altogether I needed something that was not only moisturizing but could also strengthen my strands. I'm taking 1.5 teaspoons of this ultra nourishing hair mask. It contains avocado, onion, and cilantro. This hair mask was formulated to benefit all hair porosities, to help restore your hair health, treat your split ends, and to leave behind moisturized, juicy curls. Next, I added in about 1.5 teaspoons of this hair growth mask, which contains Chebe powder, fenugreek, and avocado. With these two treatments combined in hot water, I like to add it to a deep conditioner, but today I actually DIY'd a deep conditioner with Sheabutter. Be sure to mix the treatment in well so that way your hair is covered with that goodness. Alright y'all, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply it and I will stop talking. So I went on and did my entire head off camera, and I'm going to allow this mixture to sit in for about 40 minutes. It's been a while since my hair has came out like this without any product, so I'm satisfied with that treatment. As you can see, my hair is very voluminous, it's shiny, and it's hella moisturized. I love Belle Organic because they get straight to the point with fixing hair and skin issues within women of color. They are organic, natural, no preservatives, cruelty-free, Black woman-owned company. My first encounter with Belle was last year when they sent me their curl refresher spray to try out. They changed my whole mindset when it comes to hair and skincare, so I became very addicted to Ayurvedic ingredients within my natural hair regimen as well as my skincare regimen. Belle created a space for women of color to gain insight and knowledge on natural holistic beauty. Some of you guys know I am a vegan, and so most of the hair products or skin products that I share with you all will be natural and organic. So I encourage you all to try Belle Organic out, as they provide the best ingredients that are hard to find anywhere else. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in my next video.